Now, in the meantime, details this evening from a resident of Denham town on what reportedly triggered the fatal shooting. A woman said the shooting was the culmination of events that started days before. Details in this report.
This mobile phone video showing a West Kingston resident kicking a soldier twice on Tuesday was condemned by many when it surfaced on social media. The West Kingston residents say they don't necessarily support him kicking the soldier, but that his action was provoked. A woman who asked us not to show her face says before he kicked the soldier, they were harassing him and slapped his phone from his hand when he tried to record how they were treating him. She says all that transpired on Milk Lane. She said this video shows what happened after. The soldiers pinning the man to the ground, then shortly after the man's mother intervened, fighting to wrestle him from the soldiers. The woman says the man only reacted by kicking the soldier because of how they were treating his mother when she tried to free him from their grip.
He hit the young man's mom, and when he saw that, he was like, okay, you're a boy from my mother, and based on his rage that he was in, he kicked the soldier. Right?
So the video that we saw of him kicking the soldier, that was actually him. That was a real video.
That was a real video of him.
It appears as if he did it twice, or once he did it and then he made an attempt to do it again, based on the video I saw.
Right, that's what's on the video. Yes, he did it twice.
All of that happened on Tuesday. The woman says the soldiers returned to Charles Street on Thursday, seeking revenge for the soldier being kicked, based on some information that she got.
How credible do you think this information that you got is? Because people could say, well, the residents make it up and she come on TV, she disappeared, she want to appear on TV to make it seem as if, this was actually a planned thing by the soldiers.
Credibility will be based on saying that it came from the horse's mouth, because the person that actually said this information was actually a member of the JDF.
She says Hurricane Glenn was killed simply because he saw the soldiers abusing a woman and was shouting at them to stop. She said she was present on Saturday around 6:20 when this video was captured, showing the now deceased Hurricane Glenn being shoved and kicked by the soldiers, which then led to them shooting him in his yard moments later.
This is the young man. See him walking, nothing in his hand. This is a soldier. When he must say a little picnic, whatever. See him point his gun and then him chuck him. See him standing still, kick him. The ladies hold on him. They started to run. The soldiers started to run behind him. By this, we're about to hear the shots. The first 3 shots. One, 2, 3.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
And in a release today, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, says the 8 soldiers who were at the scene of the shooting were served notices to give statements. They're also required to present themselves to be interviewed. INDECOM added that a detailed initial account of the incident has already been provided by one of the soldiers. However, the commission says no account of the incident has yet been provided by the soldier directly involved in the shooting. Now, it said the soldiers' weapons have been processed and sealed for ballistic testing. A team from INDECOM on Tuesday visited Charles Street, where Hurricane Glenn was killed, and encouraged the residents of the area to come forward with whatever information they have about the incident.